Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're curious about the health of your laptop's battery, in today's guide we'll walk you through the steps to check your battery health on your Windows. So let's just dive right into the video without any delay for that, and make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first thing you can do is you can head over and just go ahead and search for CMD and run it as an administrator on your computer. Give access and hit yes. And there we go. Now what you need to do is type this command right here. First of all, you can just go ahead and type in power cfc space hyphen energy. So just go ahead and enter it up, energy, and hit enter. And the moment you do so, it will enable tracing for 60 seconds and observe your system behavior. Now, once it is completed, the next thing you need to type in is just go ahead and type in power CFZ space column and type in battery report and hit enter. Once you do so, it will show you the file path. You may head over to this file path right here. So you may close this up for now and you can go to your file manager. From there, go to this PC. From this PC, go to your local disk, C, and head over to Windows. You can note down the file location that was shown earlier. And from there, just go over and find System32. Roll down this one right here and open this one right here, System32. And under System32, you're going to find the battery one that we are looking for, the battery report. So you can scroll down and find the section 4B and go ahead and find this one right here. There we go. And you may just open it up. And once you open it up, you can open it through Chrome or any of the browser. And there we go. So it shows you a battery report and your installed battery. So the design capacity for my battery is 57,000, and right now it has turned to 56, means about 1,000. It has been decreased, and my battery health has been decreased by about 1,000 for now. Depending upon the device, when the devices gets older and older, it may reach to 30 or 20, something like that. You may just head over and follow up the steps, and it will show you your battery health by following up this method. And that's it. So that is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and then subscribe for more tips and tutorials.